Jebe.
Really flexible people who can bend their body into shapes and do whatever without feeling anything. Yes.
And you were a dancer.
You know they paying you like this?
Nah, at all.
How did you learn to be a well contortionist?
I was 15, and then I saw it on TV. Somebody just did exactly that. And I was like, I think I should be able to do this. And I tried it, and I could do it, but it was painful. 2 weeks later, after practice, it wasn't painful anymore.
Yeah, so what are you doing for us today?
I will be singing Halo by Beyonce.
So take your time. When you're ready, let's go.
Thank you. Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you win, but I never really had a doubt. I'm standing in the light of your halo. Ooh, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you break it. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. You're everywhere looking now. I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I could feel your halo. You know you're my saving grace. Pray one face to your halo. Halo, I can see your halo. Halo, see your halo. Halo, see your halo. Halo. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you.